What's going on, guys? In today's vlog, we are going to be picking up some parts that I have been dying to get for my 240. Now, a couple guys that we met down at Black Friday at OSW, during that event, they were camping next to us, you know, just for the love of drifting and stuff. You know, we came together, we hung out, the whole 9 yards, and, you know, we became friends and stuff. And making a long story short, a really good deal popped up in Jacksonville, and obviously that's where I'm living, and I'm down in Ocala right now, and that's where Scott's living, my buddy. So just to kind of make this really simple, there's Silvia Fenders in Jacksonville, he wanted them. He's got metal fenders down here with projector Silvia lights, and we made a little deal, so I delivered him some fiberglass fenders, and now we're gonna get ourselves some metal Silvia fenders and some headlights, so let's go check it out, guys.
This man's got the best deal so far. The GTO was $100.
So here are the fenders that I picked up, and Jack's that I delivered down to him, and in trade I'm getting some metals, and you guys see the headlight over there. Alright guys, so he's got all my parts out here. I've got them laid out so you guys can see. There's a little Maui, she's hanging out with me today. Got Renegades in the truck. Anyways, here are the fenders. There's one that's really clean, and then there's one that's kind of beat up, but I mean, I'm getting a hell of a deal for these guys, so I'm not complaining at all. And then here are the headlights. This one's kind of beat up. It's got all of its plastic pieces that I'm going to try to fix the best that I can, but it is just a drift car, and again, I got a hell of a deal on it, so I'm not really complaining. And then here's just a little GTR or GTST style grill, nothing fancy, probably just a rep, but I'm really excited to have metal OEM fenders and some projectors. I'm so excited, guys. I was gonna show you a little bit of Scott's car. He's got a 1J swapped S13, but sadly it's not here. It's at his fabricator's shop. It's getting some intercooling pipe made, and the car that I just filmed on the lift, that's a buddy of his and stuff, and he's not here, so I'm not gonna go, you know, filming all kinds of nonsense. That's not really my business, but we're gonna just hang out here for a little while, talk, you know, shoot the shit, and then we're gonna be hopping back on the road and heading back to Jacksonville. So when we do that, I will check in with you guys, and then when we get home, we'll dig deeper into these parts, and I'll show you guys in detail. So we are pulling up to the garage as we speak here. My camera is on low battery, so I've got to make this somewhat quick. I guess if it does die, I'll just have to film or charge my battery and refilm this, but the truck did fantastic. She is disgusting. They have this weird bug in Florida called the love bug. It's the most annoying thing in the entire world. If you watched my paint video, which a lot of you guys have, they were a huge issue getting in the clear coat, and supposedly they're attracted to the color white. When we were down there, my truck and another truck, obviously they're white, all the love bugs were surrounding them. Look at this. This is disgusting. So is that gap between this freaking grill and this bumper. Yeah, I knew my camera was gonna die there in the middle of showing you guys, but you get the idea. It's disgusting. So we've got to pressure wash this thing, clean this thing up. I've got the Silvia fenders unloaded. I wanted to just kind of show you guys, you know, a little more in detail. You know, it's not the most perfect set. You know, it's got a crack here and there's a crack there. It can be repaired. It's nothing major, but they are, you know, obviously metal and OEM. This one is super clean. This is worth the deal right here. I picked everything up for $200, you know, plus the fuel to get down to Ocala and back, which really wasn't much, probably about 30 bucks. So $230 in total, I would say, maybe $220. The headlights, that's the different story. So this is a little grill I got, fiberglass grill there. But you can see this bracket here, and then the crack all along, and then this guy is just, it's completely gone. He gave me all the pieces and parts and stuff, and obviously I can, you know, make it work. They're gonna be for my drift car, and they're not gonna be super perfect, but I'm just ecstatic that I got it for that cheap. I mean, honestly, the fender itself is worth $250, and I think the projector's bad. They probably still go for like $100 a pop, because they're still sought after front ends, and people even use them for decorative pieces and blah 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 blah. But I'm just stoked. I'm so hyped. I'm gonna probably fire up the pressure washer and stuff, and then we'll talk about everything, because I still have to order the brackets for the headlights, and then figure out how I'm gonna set all of that up with the broken, you know, tabs. And I have all the pieces that he gave me in the truck, so I'm gonna just, I don't know, there's just a lot of stuff to go through, but I gotta get this truck cleaned because it's disgusting and it's gonna drive me up the wall. So let's hop on that right now. I'm gonna go in the house, get changed up, we'll get back out here and get to it. So we are back outside, I'm all changed up, and we are gonna get this thing clean because this is just awful. This is, I mean, disgusting. when you're standing over there where the 350Z is, that may move on its own power, or maybe not, I don't know yet, but yeah, you can see the bugs and the disgustingness on here. So my buddy who owns the Type R lives over here. Let me borrow this nifty little guy. Just plugs into the conventional hose here. Turn the hose on, turn the power on it, and put the attachment on it, and go for it. So we're gonna clean this guy up real quick, and then we will look at the fenders a little bit more. And then I moved my Silvia lights inside because I don't want them to be damaged or beat up or anything. So probably later in the video we'll go back inside and we'll look at those. And I'll show you guys what's broken on them and what needs to be done and why I got them so cheap. And I mean, a lot of people probably pass up on it, but I'll make them work because it's just a little drift car. But let's get to cleaning real quick. Truck all cleaned up. She's shining nice and pearly now. God awful bumper gap. We need to get some brackets on it or sport bumper, but all cleaned up. It was so hard to get all the bugs off the windshield and on the grill and stuff. Like they were stuck on there good, real good. Other than that, guys, we're gonna go inside and I'm gonna show you guys kind of just in detail my Silvia lights and how I got the deal. I mean, you guys might have seen that some of the tabs were broken when they were laying there when I was filming it at first in those first couple clips. But yeah, that's about that for everything that I'm doing over here. I'm still working on my intake manifold. I don't really want to just keep dragging videos out for you guys. That's kind of what the situation is. I've been really busy with work this week, so I really haven't done much with my CA as much as I want to. I just got to spend my money wisely and be smart. And obviously, it's the first of the month, so I had to pay rent and take care of that. But hopefully, in the next week or two, we will be able to at least start cleaning these fenders up, get my intake manifold done, and I'm hoping that we can get the vehicle either over here or I can get over to Nate's and start assembling some of this stuff. Got to modify the front subframe just that way I can have that done, said and done, out of the way, get it mounted up, get it bolted in, and then I can put my lower control arms. If I can find myself some ball joints for these LCAs, I'll be able to make this guy roll and we will be squared away there. So we're gonna move into the house and I'll just continue the video there showing you guys these lights. Alright guys, we are moved inside. It's actually the following day. I just finished up doing some work, got all cleaned up, and I wanted to wrap this video up by showing you guys the Silvia lights and just going into detail, kind of showing you how I got the deal on them and what's up with them. So this one I've got the piece setting in place. This one's pretty easy to fix. I'll probably just get some plastic weld and stuff, weld that back in place, get the Silvia bracket and get that all squared away for this side. Same thing over here. This guy's just got to get glued back in place. It's nothing too crazy, and again guys, it's a drift car. I got these for a super steal, so I'm not too upset. This one's gonna need some love. I've got another piece of it in the garage in my toolbox, but this looks like this is like the top section of it or something, or maybe it's not even to this headlight. I don't even know. It's seen better days though, that's for sure. So if I can't get this to work and the pieces to work, I'll probably just come up with some sort of little metal L bracket to screw into the light. I know, probably makes you cringe here and that, but it's already got a bunch of glue on it and someone's already tried to do something with it. But the other side looks pretty good. No cracks, no damages, nothing over here. On this side, got the little plugs here for the running lights and headlights themselves. I've got the other bulbs in the garage. So we'll get all that squared away. As you guys can see here, I think it's actually an LED bulb or something, HID bulb. But yeah guys, I've got some of those. We'll get them all figured out and squared away here, but I just wanted to show you guys in detail, in the house where they're safe and sound. The glass is all nice and pretty, no cracks, no damages. They look really good. Oops, sorry. I'm very excited to get it on the car. That is about that though for this video, guys. I'm super excited to bring you guys a Silvia front end. I'm kind of fanboying. I know it doesn't seem like I'm really like fanboying or geeking out over it, but I'm super stoked, dude. When I got him, I was like, yo, Winston, take a picture of me, bro. I was like holding a Silvia light cheesing, so I'm excited to bring this footage to you guys, and that's about that, guys. Hopefully we can start getting those fenders cleaned up, then we can get them thrown on the car along with the headlights, and then get the brackets for these headlights, you know, to do the conversion, and they'll get all mounted up. So that is that, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in another upload. If you guys are new to the channel, go back, check out all of our different playlists and videos and stuff. Man, we've been uploading for several years now. If you guys are, you know, returning subscriber, again, thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, leave a comment below, and I will see you guys in the next upload. Later.